Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up the Smart Sticker protocol. Medical protocols are essential for consistent, effective patient care. They guide practitioners from diagnosis to treatment. But now, with smart stickers, healthcare providers can customize and manage treatment plans with ease. Smart stickers let practitioners define treatment duration, set stages, and trigger automatic reminders, ensuring every step is followed. The result? More efficient care, improved patient tracking, and personalized treatment plans that keep everything on track. In this video, we will start on the Smart Sticker screen. For more information regarding how to navigate to Smart Sticker screen, please refer to the Smart Sticker Overview user manual linked in this video's description. We will now go over the various fields and buttons which you will utilize to set up a Smart Sticker protocol. To start adding a new protocol, simply click on the Add button located on the Smart Sticker sidebar. A new Add Protocol screen will open. The protocol name field refers to the description of what the protocol is for. Click on the Protocol Name field and complete the relevant information. The description field refers to any additional details regarding the protocol. Click on the Description field and complete the relevant information. Color facilitates the practitioner in easily identifying protocols. Colors can also serve to group similar protocols together and aid in effortless navigation to the desired protocol. Click on the Color field to add a color to the protocol. The color selector will open. You can utilize the color bar by sliding the slider to your desired color and then clicking on the color in the color selection area. Simply click outside the color selector pop-up to save the color. Click on the Auto Add Protocol drop-down menu. Auto Add Protocol means the protocol will automatically be added to the patient when the linked ICD-10 code or procedure code of the protocol is used. The Prompt to Add Protocol option involves a notification pop-up that appears when the patient is invoiced, asking the practitioner if they would like to add the protocol to the patient associated with the ICD-10 code and procedure code. Click on the applicable option from the list. For more information on how to add a Smart Sticker protocol to a patient, please refer to the Add a Smart Sticker protocol to a patient user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that in order to complete the next step, which is choosing a default state, you will have to create a state first. After the fields have been completed, proceed and click on the Choose Default State drop-down menu. Select the newly created state from the list. For more information regarding setting up states, please refer to the Smart Sticker States user manual linked in this video's description. The Auto-Link Previous Patients feature automatically establishes a connection between the patient and the Smart Sticker protocol by utilizing the pre-selected ICD-10 or procedure codes. Click on the Save button on the bottom right corner, which will enable the Auto-Link Previous Patients button. Now click on the Auto-Link Previous Patients button. The Auto-Link Previous Patients screen will open. We will now take a look at the fields within the screen. Auto-Link From is the date from which all patients who have been billed or diagnosed with the specific ICD-10 code or procedure code will be linked to the protocol. Click on the Auto-Link From field to open the date picker and select the relevant date. Please note that the default date will be today's date. Auto Add State is the state that the protocol will automatically be in once the protocol is added to the patient. Click on the Auto Add State drop-down menu to select an option from the list. Please note that the options that will appear on the Auto Add State drop-down menu will be dependent on the states that the user has set up for their specific protocol. Click on the Cancel button to cancel the request. Click on the Link button to link all the patients that meet the set criteria to the protocol. You are able to choose the relevant ICD-10 codes to add to this specific protocol. Click on the Add button. The ICD-10 Builder screen will open. From here, you can search for the ICD-10 code. Once done, click on the ICD-10 code from the list. You can also search for the ICD-10 code by clicking on the Search ICD-10 field and input either a portion of the code or code name. Thereafter, click on your desired ICD-10 code from the list. The selected code will then populate under the Added Codes section. You can add as many ICD-10 codes as necessary. Click on the Close button to exit the ICD-10 Builder screen without adding the ICD-10 codes to the protocol. Click on the Save button to save and import the ICD-10 codes to the protocol. Adding specific procedure or billing codes to a protocol allows the practitioner to pre-select the items that will link the patient to the specific protocol. To add a procedure code, click on the Add button. The billing item search screen will open. From here, you can search for the procedure code by clicking on the search field and input either a portion of the code or code name. Once done, click on the desired procedure code from the list. The selected code will then populate under the Added Codes section. Click on the Close button to exit the billing item search screen without adding the procedure codes to the protocol. Click on the Save button to save and import the procedure codes to the protocol. Click on the Trash Can button of the new protocol to delete the entire protocol. Click on the Save button to save all the changes that have been made to the newly created protocol. The Smart Sticker screen will close and return to the Cash Register Management screen.